Hey you guys, so right now I'm in Portland visiting one of my really good friends at her beautiful Airbnb, and then look at this view. Anyways, so yesterday we went out and we ended up at Walgreens at some point, and I saw a bunch of holiday gift sets from Wet n Wild, and you guys, I was like, okay, I gotta make a video about this, share all the holiday gift sets with you guys, what's in each, how much each costs, and etc. So without any further ado, let's go back to Walgreens and let's get on with this video. Alright guys, we're at Walgreens, and yeah, I have to show you guys these amazing holiday gift sets from Wet n Wild. Alright, we're in a beauty section, and here's where all the gift sets are. So here's a quick overview, but I will go over each and every one as well as the price. So we first have this mini mascara collection. Looks like it comes with 5 different mascaras, and you guys look at the price for this, only $5. And this is crazy, look at this. If you're a mascara lover, I feel like this is going to be your set. Next we have this silk finish lipstick set. Inside there are 6 different lipsticks. And again, only for $5. In this lipstick set, it looks like you get a nude shade, a brownish orangish shade, a pink one, ooh, and then a burnt orange shade, or more redder one, and then, oh my gosh, that's gonna be perfect for fall. It's like this dark burgundy shade. Then we have this prep and prime set. Inside you get an eyeshadow primer, a face primer, ooh, that mattifies your face, oof, I know I need that, and then a matte finish setting spray, and I love their setting sprays. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried either of these products, so I don't know how they would be, but you guys, only 10 bucks. I think it's definitely worth trying out. Oh, and these are the same. Oh, here's a new one, the Mega Slicks lip gloss set. So inside this set comes 4 different lip glosses. Looks like you get a clear gloss, a pink glitter gloss, a reddish brownish gloss, and then this peachy gloss. The peachy one looks really pretty, and this one's only $5. Another holiday gift set they have is this One Step Wonder Gel nail set, and according to my friend who I'm staying with, or actually visiting in Portland, she says I love their nail polish. I used to get their nail polish when I was younger, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, in this set you get 4 different One Step Wonder Gel nail polishes. Wow, you guys, this one's pretty heavy. And inside you get this really cream nude shade, this corally shade, a light pink shade, almost nude, nudie pink, and then this fuchsia pink. Ooh, that one's pretty. And this one's going for $5. Another holiday gift set from Wet n Wild is this glitter single set, which comes with 6 shimmer eyeshadow singles. And it looks like we have one that's white or almost clear. That'll be nice to just like use as an eyeshadow topper. And then we have this brownish goldish shade, and then a silver shade. Ooh, this pink one is everything. And then a more black one if we want to do like a smoky look on Christmas or New Year's Eve. And then this gold champagne shade. And this one is going for $5. Ooh, if you love highlighters, this might be your thing. So another holiday gift set they have is this MegaGlo highlighting palette. This one's going for $10, and I will open it up for you guys because I'm sure, yeah, it's sealed. And it looks like this. You guys, how pretty is this? Looks like there's like this flower imprint in it. And you get this pink one, this champagne-y one, a gold shade, and then a white one. Oh my god, Frosty the Snowman. Yeah, this is super pretty. This one's going for $10. Ooh, for all my eyeshadow lovers. So we have this Color Icon 32 pan eyeshadow palette going for $15. And inside it looks like this. James Charles is shaking. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, these are all the shades in this palette. This is really pretty. And you guys, if this is definitely the same quality of their little mini eyeshadow palettes, I think definitely, oh my god, this is a bargain. This is a great deal. I'm living for these corner shades right here. And then for the holidays, these look really pretty. And then last but not least, we have these brush sets. It's a 10-piece brush set. Oh my gosh, look at the handles on these. Looks like crystals. These are so pretty. And I've heard great things about the brushes. I personally haven't tried them out, but my friend Kim Nizola over here on YouTube loves them. So I know these are going to be good. And this gift set is $30, which I think is a great deal for 10 brushes, because basically you're paying $3 for each. And here's a close-up view of all the brushes. And again, here's a quick overview of all the holiday gift sets from Wet n Wild. You guys, it looks like the most expensive one is $30 and the cheapest one is $5. Oh, and you guys, I know Halloween is already past, but I just checked out the clearance section and they have a bunch of the Wet n Wild Halloween exclusive makeup here. Like, oh my gosh, how cute is this cap? It's got a spider web on it, but it's their setting spray that actually is in their set and prime set. Then they have their paint palette. Oh my gosh, if you want to, like, you know, prep for next year. Their glitter palette, that's beautiful. And then even some of their nail polishes, which again, apparently I tried out when I was a kid. And oh my gosh, if you're looking for a black liquid lipstick, they have that here. As well as this red one, which I think is more holiday vibes, but okay. And then I think, yeah, this is a different shade. Like an orangey shimmer one. That's really pretty. But see how it has a little like Catwoman on it? So yeah, that's how you can tell it's like Halloween. It's from their Halloween collection. But yeah, it's now all 50% off. So like only $2.99, $1.39. Oh my gosh, 54 cents. You know, obviously just look at the price tag. But yeah, if anyone is just curious, thought I would share. Alright you guys, well I am back from Walgreens, but y'all, how awesome were those Wet n Wild holiday gift sets, and literally ranging from $5 to $30, and most of them being $5. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. And y'all know I love Wet n Wild, so the quality is there, as well as the low prices. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a girl thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want me to do more of these holiday gift set videos, definitely let me know, as well as want me to buy them and swatch maybe the lip glosses or the lipsticks or the eyeshadow palette, etc. Definitely let me know. And if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!